Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.3, fifth question. The median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. Before solving this problem, first let me tell the meaning of median. What do you mean by median? Median means it is a line segment which connects the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay? Suppose if it is a triangle, see here, then if I draw a median, BE means what? E is the midpoint of AC. When I will say BE is the median of AC, you must keep it in mind, AE is equal to EC. Means this E, it divides a line segment AC into two equal halves. For example, AC is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then AE is what? 3 centimeter. EC is 3 centimeter. Because BE is the median of AC. Hope you have understood the meaning of median. Okay. Now let us come to the problem. Let me rub this. See here, in the question they have given the triangle ABC. A, B, C. Okay, the coordinate of A is 4 minus 6 and the coordinate of B is 3 minus 2 and the coordinate of C is 5 2. Okay, what we have to prove? The median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. We have to prove this one. Okay. So, first let us find out the midpoint of BC. Okay. First let us find out the midpoint of BC. Solution or proof. Proof. First let us find out the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. What is the formula to find out the midpoint? That is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula to find out the midpoint, isn't it? See here 3 minus 2. Therefore, x1 is what? 3 and y1 is minus 2 and C, x2 is 5, y2 is 2. Since we are finding the midpoint of BC, we have to take like this, right? Now let us substitute x1 plus x2, that is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Comma, y1 plus y2, that is minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is what? 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, comma, minus 2 plus 2 it will get cancelled, 0 by 2. Now look at this, 2 ones are, 2 fours are, right? That is 4, comma, 0 by 2 is what? 0. That is 4, 0 is the midpoint of the line segment BC. Okay. Now let me name this point as D. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. D, let me write here. Let me rub this. D is the midpoint of BC. Now, to prove this problem, let us join AD. Okay, Let us join AD. Then we can say that AD is the median, right? AD is the median. Because AD is the line segment which connects the midpoint of the opposite side BC. Therefore, AD is the median, right? Let me repeat this sentence. Here, AD is the line segment which is connecting the midpoint of the opposite side BC. Therefore, we can say that AD is the median, right? Now, when we will connect AD it has divided the whole triangle into two triangles, that is ABD and ADC. Now, to prove this problem, let us find out the area of this triangle. Okay, that is ABD. Let me rub the board, you can copy down. Now let us find out the area of the triangle ABD. Okay, area of triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we know the coordinate of A, B and D. Therefore, which formula we can use to find out the area of triangle ABD? We can use A is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Isn't it? Now let us substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. A, B, D. The coordinate of A is 4 minus 6. Therefore, x1 is what? 4. And y1 is minus 6. Then x2 is 3. x2 is 3. And y2 is minus 2. x3 is 4. And y3 is 0. Let us substitute these values in this equation. Okay. A is equal to half x1, that is 4. y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 2. Minus 2. For this minus, let me write minus. y3. The value of y3 is 0. Plus x2. The value of x2 is 3. y3. The value of y3 is 0. Minus y1. The value of y1 is minus 6. So, let me take this in the bracket. Okay. Plus x3. The value of x3 is 4. 4. y1. The value of y1 is minus 6. Minus y2. The value of y2 is minus 2. So, let me take like this in the bracket. Okay. A is equal to half 4 minus 2 minus 0 is how much? Minus 2. Plus 3 0 minus of minus 6 is what? Minus into minus is plus 6, right? Therefore, 3 into 6 plus 4 bracket. Now look at this carefully. Minus 6 minus into minus is plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4. A is equal to half 4 2s are 8. But here plus into minus is minus. Minus 8. Plus 3 6 are 18. Now look at this. 4 into 4 is what? 16. But plus into minus is minus 16. Okay, minus 16. Now, area is equal to half into minus 8 plus 18 is how much? Plus 10. Plus 10 minus 16 is what? Minus 6. Right? Now look at this. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Then it is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Divided by 1 means we can write it as minus 3. But here it is area. Area, it cannot be negative. Area is always positive because it is a physical quantity. Right? Therefore, we can write it as plus 3. Since we are finding the area, we will write it as square units. Plus 3 square units. Area of the triangle ABD is what? 3 square units. Right? Now, let us find out the area of the triangle ADC. I am going to rub the board. You can copy it out. Now, let us find out the area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. And we know the coordinates. Therefore, we can use the formula A is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y2. ADC. The coordinate of A is 4 minus 6. Therefore, x1 is what? 4. And y1 is minus 6. D. The coordinate of D is 4, 0. Therefore, x2 is 4, y2 is 0. And the coordinate of C is 5, 2. Therefore, x3 is 5 and y3 is 2. Now, let us substitute in this. Okay. A is equal to half into x1. The value of x1 is 4. 4. Y2 minus y3. That is 0 minus y3. y3 is 2. Plus x2. The value of x2 is 4. y3 minus y1. That is 2 minus 6. So let me take this in the bracket. Plus x3. The value of x3 is 5. Bracket y1. y1 is minus 6. Minus y2 is 0. A is equal to half into 4. 0 minus 2 is how much? Minus 2. Plus 4. Bracket 2 of minus 6. 2 minus into minus is what? Plus 6. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. Right? Plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0 is how much? Minus 6. A is equal to half. 4 2s are 8, but here it is minus. Therefore, it is minus 8 plus 4 8s are 32. Then 5 6 are 30, but here plus into minus is what? Minus 30. Right? Is equal to half into minus 8 plus 32 is what? Plus 24. Plus 24 minus 30 is what? Minus 6. Right? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It is minus 3. Since we are finding the area, we will write in the positive, that is plus 3 square units. Okay. here we won't take minus sign for area because area is a physical quantity. Therefore, area of triangle ADC is how much? 3 square units, right? 3 square units. We have proved this. Let me explain how. Okay? I am going to rub this. You can copy down. In question, what did they tell us to prove? The median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas, isn't it? Now look at this. We know that AD is the median, right? AD is the median because it connects the midpoint of the opposite side BC. Okay? Then we have to prove that AD, it divides a whole triangle into two equal triangles. Yes. See, the area of the triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD is how much? 3 square units, right? And the area of the triangle ADC is also 3 square units. Median, it is dividing a triangle into two equal triangles. That is what they told us to prove, right? We have proved it. Hope you have understood. Thank you.